Hello and welcome everyone. Thanks for being here. I trust that it's divine timing that you found your way here to receive this healing energy. Today the intention is to bring forth healing for your prosperity space, for abundance, to remove any energetic blocks that are keeping you from your divine birthright, which is to be prosperous, abundant, and successful in your life. So all you need to do is to affirm yes, to receive this healing energy. I acknowledge that all healing comes from the divine, and to nod. And so, that being said, without further ado, let's begin. You've got Kat here too. This is Spirit. She likes to help. Go ahead and take 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. You can have eyes open or closed, whichever you prefer. I'm feeling and calling in the presence of Lakshmi today. Thank you, Lakshmi, for being here with us. Thank you for bringing through this divine healing energy. She's showing me coins raining all around, golden coins into your field, into manifest reality. You can open your hands to receive. Repeat after me. I receive the blessings of abundance and prosperity from the universe. I receive the blessings of prosperity and abundance from the universe. I receive the blessings of prosperity and abundance from the universe. Breathe that in. You can open your arms wide to feel the energy filling you up, 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 up. Keep breathing that in. And now working on the subtlest dimension, the unseen realms, subconscious, the unconscious, to remove any obstacles, any blocks, any energy imprints, any feelings of unworthiness, any lifetimes, karmic resolve. That one's big for most of you, the karmic, ancestral, prosperity blocks. Who knew? Who knew that's where we were going today? Healing the ancestral line and the money or scarcity mindset. Just releasing that. Lifetimes upon lifetimes upon lifetimes, with scarcity mindset being cleared. And that feels better already. That feels better already. It's like breaking through. It's almost like a veil being pulled off you, a membrane being pulled off you, that you've been contained in this fluid sac, just like the amniotic fluid. So you're being born into a new chapter of prosperity and abundance. Again, I am open to receive the blessings and prosperity from the universe. Breathe in. I am open to receive the blessings and prosperity from the universe. Breathe in. I am open to receive the blessings and prosperity from the universe. Breathe in. And it would be a good idea, I'm hearing, to give something today after you receive this healing. Doesn't have to be a lot, could be a small token, could be generous, however you feel to give, could be a flower, could be a smile. But to give something of yourself, to activate that sacred reciprocity, the ebb and flow. And as you give something today, could be to somebody who's homeless, could be to a friend, could be to a child. As you give something to somebody today, to experience gratitude as you give it. Gratitude in recognition that as you give and plant those seeds, so too do you receive. So there's a beautiful ebb and flow that's happening today. There's a beautiful ebb and flow in giving and receiving. And any scarcity mindset that you've taken on from your parents, from your grandparents, from any of your ancestors, anyone in your family, any greediness, any stinginess. Maybe people have used prosperity as a weapon against you. Maybe they've withheld love from you because of money. Maybe your money space has been tainted. Just clearing the tangles or any entanglement that you have around money with other people. It's like a breath of fresh air. It's like a breath of fresh air as you clear those tangles. Maybe you've been wrapped up in like a spidery cocoon of other people's mindsets as well. Just cutting that away so that you can see clearly, trusting that you know next steps, one step at a time, tuning your intuition, that you know in your bones the next step on the path to fulfill prosperity and abundance in alignment with your highest good. Golden coins, golden coins, golden coins. I can hear them tinkling. I can hear them tinkling. Tinkle, tinkle, tinkle. Tinkle, tinkle, tinkle. Just receiving them. I'm seeing 10 cups, just like the tarot card, the 10 of cups, 10 cups. Every cup is full. Yeah, prosperity and abundance doesn't always have to be money. It can be family, it can be loving friendships, it could be a beautiful home, it could be food in your belly. Prosperity and abundance. Gratitude for the prosperity and abundance. Gratitude that you're in the mindset and the spaciousness to give because you feel like you have enough. Feels good to give. Feels good to give, and what you give comes back to you. Another deep breath. Another deep breath. And you don't have to engage with this. If you don't feel to engage with this session, you can just receive. But if you're engaging with me and you're affirming with me and you're visualizing with me, there's an interactive piece that starts the wheels turning in the universe, doors opening, synchronicities happening, magic happening. We're reawakening the magic and the mystery and the manifestation. You may be surprised because it comes in all ways and always. Sometimes small, sometimes big. Just allow yourself to be pleasantly surprised by the gifts of the universe. The universe wants you to win. The universe wants you to be successful. The universe wants you to be walking your highest destiny and have what you need to fulfill that destiny. So a piece of this is to be in alignment. Mind, body, spirit in alignment, walking your highest destiny. Allowing the prosperity to come forth, raining, tinkling, raining, tinkling. I can feel you lighting up. Go ahead and breathe. Breathe in as if you had all the money in the world and you could do whatever you wanted to do. You were totally free. Breathe that in. Breathe it in again. That feeling of being free. That feeling of being independent. That feeling of being able to have creative freedom, right? To spend your time as you would like, taking care of yourself, taking care of your family, taking care of your garden, eating good food, having what you need, having your basic needs met, right? So that you're free to follow your curiosity and follow the dream in your heart. Whee! Whee! There's a playful energy here today. There's a very playful energy. If you've been snowed under and very serious and money, it's all up in here. We're just taking that out. Taking out the tangles. Breathe into the spaciousness with those tangles gone. Right? Feels good. Feels good. Feels good to be prosperous and abundant. Feels good to be free. A few little residue kind of tangles in there. We're just going to weed those out. These little tangles that come in as thoughts that are self-depreciating. I'm not worthy. I'm not good enough. We're just going to weed those out. Like weeds in the garden, just pulling them out. Energetic imprints that no longer serve you. Have come down the line. Come down the line from parents. You don't need those. And in addition to the ancestors, the lifetimes through all space-time dimensions, the lifetimes where you've come to this moment to receive this healing, to be free. If you think about it like that, it's really quite special, right? Cat's here. She's got to get her nose in everybody's business. She's giving her blessings too. Filling those cups. Filling all of the cups. And now I'm seeing to the universe's hand at your back. If you've always felt like you've had to do it alone, or no one's got your back, or no one's looking out for you, or you haven't had a sense of security, you're just feeling the beautiful grace of the universe, the power of that force at your back, supported, held, secure, and free. Take another deep breath for me. There you are, my loves. May you be pleasantly surprised. I am open to receive the blessings of prosperity and abundance from the universe. Yes. Bless. And thank you. If you feel like you benefit from this session, please like, subscribe, share so that other people may also be uplifted. If you'd like to check out my artworks, I am a creative. I like to create artworks. You could be supporting me as an artist in that way. I would be most grateful. You'd be supporting this beautiful healing sanctuary. Thank you so much and bless.